Welcome back, Tech Explorers. Today, we're diving into a captivating topic that could revolutionize our world: self-healing materials. Imagine a future where everything from your phone to skyscrapers and even medical devices can repair themselves. This isn't sci-fi anymore, it's becoming a reality. Self-healing materials are an emerging class of smart materials that can automatically detect and repair damage without human intervention. These materials are inspired by biological systems, like human skin, which heals after injury. Just as our bodies can close wounds, these materials can restore themselves, helping to extend the life of everything from consumer electronics to critical infrastructure. So why does this matter? Think about the modern world we live in, surrounded by technology. From the moment we wake up to our phones or laptops, to the cars we drive, to the massive infrastructure that supports our cities, everything deteriorates over time. This wear and tear costs billions in maintenance and replacement. But with self-healing materials, many of these issues could be minimized or even eliminated. These materials offer the potential for durable, resilient products that last longer and reduce waste. In the automotive world, we already see self-healing coatings on the horizon. These coatings respond to heat or UV light, allowing minor scratches on cars to heal themselves, keeping them looking pristine. Imagine never worrying about scratches on your car again, as the material heals in front of your eyes. That's just the beginning. In aerospace, researchers are exploring composites that can repair cracks in airplanes automatically, reducing the risk of structural failure and making air travel safer and more reliable. Electronics are another area primed for disruption by self-healing materials. How many times have you dropped your phone and cracked the screen? Now, imagine a phone that can heal itself. This technology could transform the entire consumer electronics industry, making devices more durable and significantly reducing e-waste. Beyond screens, the tech world is also developing self-healing circuits and batteries. This could mean more resilient devices that continue to function even after sustaining damage. But the most promising application may be in construction and infrastructure. Take concrete, for example. Traditional concrete develops cracks over time, leading to costly repairs. But what if the concrete could heal itself? Self-healing concrete is designed to release special bacteria or polymers when cracks form. These substances react with the air or water, filling the cracks and restoring the material's strength. This technology could dramatically extend the lifespan of roads, bridges, and buildings, reducing the need for constant maintenance. Medical science also stands to benefit from this incredible advancement. Imagine medical implants that can heal themselves within the body, reducing the need for repeat surgeries. Self-healing materials could be used in everything from skin grafts to artificial organs. The possibilities for improving patient outcomes and reducing medical costs are enormous. Moreover, such materials could lead to less invasive medical treatments and devices, offering new ways to manage chronic diseases and improve quality of life. However, the development of self-healing materials also raises important challenges. Currently, the cost of producing these materials is still quite high, making widespread adoption difficult. For self-healing technology to become mainstream, it must be both economically viable and scalable. Researchers are working on reducing production costs, but we're still at the early stages of commercialization. There are also environmental concerns, especially regarding the chemicals used in the development of some self-healing polymers. For this technology to truly be a game changer, we need to ensure it aligns with sustainability goals. And then there's the integration of artificial intelligence. As AI becomes increasingly intertwined with material science, it could help self-healing materials become even more intelligent. Imagine materials embedded with sensors and AI algorithms that can not only heal damage but also predict and prevent it before it happens. AI could help us develop materials that adapt and evolve based on their environment, further extending their durability. This is particularly exciting for industries where safety is critical, such as aviation, construction, and even energy production. Looking ahead, the future of self-healing materials is incredibly bright. From transportation to healthcare, electronics to infrastructure, this technology promises to reshape the way we think about durability and longevity. By reducing waste and extending the life of everyday objects, self-healing materials could play a pivotal role in creating a more sustainable and efficient future. However, like any emerging technology, self-healing materials come with questions that need answering. What will the long-term environmental impact be? How will industries adjust to the new possibilities offered by this technology? And most importantly, how do we ensure that these materials are affordable and accessible for all? Tech explorers, we are witnessing the dawn of a new era in material science. Self-healing materials may well be the cornerstone of the smart, resilient cities of the future, helping us build a world that is more sustainable, efficient, and adaptable. Stay curious, and keep exploring the possibilities. The future is self-repairing, and we're just getting started.